Welcome to the GTI Conservation News, where kids can make a difference. We had a report last night that several into the Eco Dispatcher and reported multiple lights on at NVES on the premises and no activities.
Our media specialist taught us how to use the Kid Search database. I bet I could get some helpful information from the Green Team investigators. Let's see. Words and phrases as well as my notepad and pencil. Here with me. So I think I'm ready to begin. First, I need to log into KYVL.org. By using the username and password our library media specialist gave us in class and select the Kids Search database. Actually, I need to choose a topic to search under. Our researchers' question is, how can students and teachers help to conserve the use of electricity in our school? I see there are several topics to choose from, such as math, social studies, art, and here. This is one I need. Science. Now, within the topic, there are more specialist areas I can choose from to narrow my search. Now, within the topic, there are most specific areas I can choose from to narrow my search more. As energy conservation could fit under environment, because energy conservation is a way to save our environment. Or it could fit under energy, because the focus of the research question is on energy. I think I will begin with energy. I can always go back and search under environment later. Next, in the find bar, I'm going to type a specific request using one of the key words or phrases I brainstormed before I began my search. Now, if I want, I can filter the results by choosing between magazines, newspapers, and books, and encyclopedias, and more. I think for now I will select magazines and newspapers and see what I can come up with. Then I make the selection. Wow, this is neat. I can now search future by picking options, subject, or publication. These will sort the resources listed into specific subject or publications in which the information, of course. I can always find more information by selecting Redo Search and refine my search. At this point, I can select the resource that I think will meet my needs for the project I am working on and skim the information details such as the subject, source, and especially the abstract to determine if I would like to read more. Here's one that looks like a resource that might possibly have something the GTIS can use. So to read the intersection, I can pick HTML, full text, or PDF.
Hey, I found something. Come look.
Oh, that's a good one. It says here that by replacing 10 60-watt bulbs with compact fluorescents, we could save $8 a year.
We could ask the teachers to change as many bulbs as possible to energy-efficient bulbs. That would save money, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so we know that the energy cost for our school must be cut, or Mr. Davidson is going to have the gym closed down. The question is, how can we reduce energy in our school?
Maybe we should ask you to turn off the lights when we're...
How much it is to run the lights. Guys, how can we find the percentage of the lights that are being turned off in the classroom at empty overnight?
Okay, so we know that school cut, or Mr. Davidson is going to have the gym closed down. The question is, how can we reduce energy use in our school?
Maybe we should ask the students and staff to be sure to turn off the lights when they are not being
I'm
used.
curious. Would it be reasonable to ask classes to turn off their computers when they are not using them? You know, the computers in the classroom sit quite a bit throughout the day on, but not being used.
Are we being fair with requesting
classrooms turn off lights and computers every time they leave the room. Maybe we need to look at this from the students' and teachers' perspective to be sure if it is fair. I'm interested in finding out our school's guidelines for thermostat settings. One of the resources Melanie and I found when we were researching our library's media center says if you keep your thermostat between 68 and 72 degrees, it will save energy. How could we find this is true? If their thermostat is set in this temperature range.
How can we take that out?
What are some difficulties we need to deal with in order to find out if the thermostats are being kept in the recommended temperature range?
Hopping hot.
Check how wisely classes are using energy in our school.
We did a spot check during our recess time. We could read the court air findings on the charts.
That's a great idea. We could use our evidence to create a bar graph.
Then maybe doing an even better job turning off the lights and computers when they are not being used by the students and staff.
Samson, and he just received this month's bill.
We did it. We put the bill down by 5%.
Kids can make a difference. The Green Team investigators have done the problem with energy waste here at MVES. They have shown that kids can influence others to make real differences for our school, community, and Earth. Conservation news make a difference.